is Nur Zulikha Ooi. I am a student from Nilai Polytechnic, Negeri Sembilan. Today, me and my friends would like to talk about gondolas where there are various types of gondolas in the market. However, there are still some problems that arise where we choose to solve them by innovating on the gondola and then naming it as Easy Gondola. The product known as Easy Gondola was created for retailers who are aware of the stock shortage at the gondola. This will be used by Blink apps to operate on smartphones. The Blink apps can detect the stock shortage by using the sensor technology Force Sensor Resistor (FSR) sensor. The FSR sensors allows detecting things such as physical pressure, squeezing, and weight.
Purpose. Our main purpose is to help retailers to avoid time wastages while managing their store. Furthermore, we also want to make it easier for retailers to manage their stock. Next is vision and mission. Our vision is providing a better inventory management, and our mission is to create a new innovation for the retailer.
This is our Easy Gondola logo, where the Easy is a short form for easy, where we spell as EASY. Next, the snap finger is to show how easy the gondola can be used. Last but not least, our slogan is Make It Easy.
Hi, I'm Syahirah Binti Sharuddin and I will explain about the problem segment. As we know, every city around the world are facing great challenges due to increased urbanization, and one of the major challenges is to the retailer because they will facing many problems in handling their store. Among of the problem faced is lack of discipline by retailer and employee. Is it contributor to the difficulty of managing stock shortage? This is because maybe they identify a shortage of stock but they had too much work to do in the store, so they forget to refill the stock on the gondola. Next, we found that most retailers have trouble in moving their gondola from one place to another. This is also because they are difficult to handle the gondola where the gondola is too heavy for them to move to another position. Finally, we found that most employees at the store were unaware of the lack of stock, whether the gondola was empty with goods or not. If the gondola is empty, a sensor will be detected and it will notify the system that are connected store is available of their computer or device.
Hello. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nadia and I'm a student from Polytechnic. Gondola was introduced in the market to facilitate retailers in their daily work affairs. The reason why this idea come out is because advanced technology such as sensor on gondola can tell retailer if there is a shortage stock. This sensor can connect it to the Blink apps, where the apps will create notification on the phone. This Easy Gondola can also facilitate the affair of retailer because there are rollers on the gondola compared to regular gondola. With roller on the gondola, it will easy to retailer to change the layout of their store.
Next, how Easy Gondola works. First, the customer will pick items from the gondola. Second, the sensor will detect the item. Third, the employee will get a notification on their phone by using the apps. And the last one, the employee will do item replacement and item will always available on the gondola.
Make this gondola look attractive and make it different from rollers gondola is it have two uniqueness like rollers and sensor. The uniqueness of rollers at the bottom will make easier for retailer to move the gondola from one place to other place to lay out the store. In addition, they will be locked on the rollers to keep the gondola from moving. The uniqueness of the sensor is to make notification and message to the seller to handle stock shortage so that stock is always full on the gondola.
Next is costing. For the cost planning, we have done a survey about the price according to the innovation, which is the total is 850 ringgit Malaysia, where the coding is 800 ringgit Malaysia and the sensor is 50 ringgit Malaysia per unit.
Next is impact of product innovation idea. The impact of this idea is Easy Gondola can help employees in the store to be more aware of the lack of stock in the store. In addition, it can make it easier for employees where they are in the store do not have to check whether the gondola is empty or not because the gondola has sensor. Therefore, if the gondola is empty, sensor will be detected and employee will receive a warning message about stock shortage. Next, the Easy Gondola also have a wheel. It is also much easier for the worker to move the gondola when they want to change the layout of the store. Then, it also will be easier for them to move the gondola to one place to their store. In addition, the wheel also have lock to make sure the gondola will not move and safe for the customer.
The Easy Gondola is very helpful to retailer in providing stock by having sensor. This will make retailer more sensitive and will continue to return stock quickly and on time. Therefore, it can save retailer time to deal with depleted stock. Lastly, the Easy Gondola can assist retailer in performing gondola transfer because the Easy Gondola has rollers that are easy to carry.